Learn your instruments. The flute, the saxophone, the beautiful harp, the banjo, the fiddle, the drums, the glockenspiel. Learn your instruments. The sitar, the electric guitar, and now, students, for some of the lesser known of the instrument family, the jaw harp, the train whistle, the New Year's Eve blower, the kazoo, the recorder. It's the type of a flute.